Hola, amigos, amigas. Toy giveaway here in the plaza. San Nicolas de Ibarra. Here's the toy giveaway. Christmas presents for the children of San Nicolas de Ibarra. The American Legion is sponsoring this. Pulse 7, American Legion, Pulse 7 is sponsored this. In Chapala, Pulse 7 in Chapala is coming out here. They're going to be going to Santa Clara after this, but they're passing out toys for Christmas to the children of San Nicolas de Ibarra. Here they are, American Legion, into action. Hey, this is one of my friends from the American Legion. Hold on. Oh, you got these Harleys out here. Wow. Whoa, look at these Harleys and these motorcycles. Hey, all right. Hey, they're out here. They're out here giving toys. I'm going to get us a truckload of toys for the children of San Nicolas de Ibarra. And I don't know if I'll be able to keep up with everyone. Because I'm walking. Just did an interview. A couple interviews. Truckload of toys. And I think there's going to be more toys. There's trucks coming with more toys. Vans, vehicles. Right there, you can see them across the way. From the American Legion, sponsored by the American Legion, Post 7, Chapala, Mexico. We're in the city of San Nicolas de Ibarra. And the cars are coming. And I might not be able to keep up with all of them, but I just want to get you this info out. Feliz Navidad. Here's more people coming. Try to get an interview. We had one that did one interview from the American Legion, Pulse 7. I'm going to try to get another interview on another day. Okay. These bikes, man. Okay, we're gonna cut this video. Kids will be coming out soon. We'll try to get more footage if I can. Adios, amigos. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Subscribe to this channel and comments, questions. Post them. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. It might be a couple days because this is over the holidays. Adios from San Nicolas de Ibarra, Mexico.